What's going on with gold?
I love gold. I started researching gold in 1997 at JP Morgan, and then I got to trade gold during 08-09. So I've had an amazing education around gold, and gold is really complicated. I think the thing to note right now is you are seeing people saying, this is a very uncertain time. The war in Ukraine, the U.S.-China tensions, the debt ceiling, recession risk. I want to have something safe in my portfolio, even if it's only a 2 or 3% allocation. You are seeing investment demand. Turkey last year, huge investment demand, not shockingly, given what's going on with their currency and their inflation rate. The thing, though, I think is getting less attention and needs more attention is what's going on with the central banks. So you have cyclical supports for gold to the degree we have falling rate expectations, we have a falling dollar, we still have some inflation risk, uncertainty. But the structural support is the central banks. Central banks last year bought the most gold in 1 year that they've bought since the World Gold Council started tracking this in 1950. China in November and December alone bought, I believe I'm getting the number right, 62 million tons? I'm going to get the number wrong, so forget I said that. But look on World Gold Council's site. They track this stuff well. But I think the important thing is as the U.S. is maybe pushing away some of its previous friends, like they'll put it that way. There are central banks saying, how do I diversify? And Russia showed that diversifying into the Canadian dollar bonds or Australian dollar bonds, that's not good enough because they're going to work with the U.S. Gold gives them a little more room to maneuver. And so I think you're going to continue to see central bank support for gold in addition to the investment demand, jewelry demand. So we're close to an all-time high in gold. I would expect this year it's going to hit a new all-time high.